Hi and welcome to this auto-emotional presentation for a absolutely beautiful condition 2001 very late end of line Land Rover Range Rover P38 4.0 SE. This car does have one major selling point in that it was actually owned as the first owner from the chairman of 𝗔𝗨𝗧𝗢𝗢𝗠𝗢𝗡. Of course, now a global name in the car industry, so you can imagine that its subsequent owners, of which there have only been 2 expats, have maintained the vehicle, and therefore it is presented to you in absolutely brilliant order. In this metallic silver, the car really is an absolute pleasure to drive. It's coming with 2 remote central locking keys and offers not only huge torque from that 4-litre V8, but the prestige always associated with any Range Rover mark, and a nice host of gadgets to make the driving a luxurious affair. You've got the headlight wash wipe system, which of course always handy here in the UAE, in the desert country. Additionally, the front fog lights giving ample lighting on the road surfaces or off-road where this car is absolutely more than capable. You've got the factory fitted alloy wheels still in their original and good condition. As you can see, the car lines are all in absolutely excellent order. The vehicle, as mentioned previously, and I'll just very quickly demonstrate, the remote central locking, which both alarms and unlocks the vehicle too. You've also got professionally tinted glass all the way around, giving a convenient look to the car as well as a great aesthetic feel too. Lots of toys that we will be going through in this beautiful 4-litre V8 Range Rover. As you can see here in Auto Emotional, we always mention anything that we feel needs doing. There is a slight mark on the driver's seat and very slight wear to the bolster, but bar that, there isn't anything really to mention on the car. As you can see, it's got lovely leather hand-stitched door cards. This was only available on the later P38 Range Rovers. The leather is in absolutely immaculate condition. Considering it's a beige colour, you'll be able to quite easily see if the car's been abused or hasn't really been taken care of or neglected, but this car really is in excellent order. The air conditioning for the rear occupants as well, the captain style armchairs on the front. Again, as you can see, the depth of the tyres are absolutely brilliant. Really a beautiful looking vehicle from any angle. It's also coming with a tow bar, again professionally fitted with electrics, meaning that this can, if required, be utilized for towing. The V8 power plant has sufficient power to do that, believe me. You've got the 3rd level brake light and the wiper that tucks itself very stylishly in the roof spoiler. Again, these cars are very family friendly in that they are uber safe and has huge load areas. As you can see, the split folding rear seats also lay down totally flat, giving a huge flat bed for loading any goods. You've even got the 12-volt auxiliary output there. Again, just the look of the car in absolutely excellent order. the metallic silver in brilliant condition, no real dents or scratches to mention whatsoever, and with those factory fitted alloys and tints, really does make for a aesthetically pleasing vehicle. Piped seats throughout, and you've even got the original Hirschman antenna which controls the Nokia phone that you can see in the driver's console, which is all fully operational, by the way, and the microphone is just above the driver's seat. So added convenience, you can have a car phone and leave a SIM card in there for emergencies or for calling when driving to make it safe. Again, the SRS airbags there for the passenger. Not only that, you've even got the side impact airbags there. So, starting the vehicle up, which is always a pleasure to do on a Range Rover, means all the gadgets and toys will immediately be available to see. You've had the convenience of knowing that the somewhat troublesome air suspension has been removed, so the car is now sitting on springs, which means you've got absolutely no issues with maintenance. You've got the speed limiter there, which can be switched on or off. Information, trip computer giving you average mileage and fuel remaining, which is really a massive selling point. The cruise control buttons, again the SRS airbag, of course it's power steering, which is also adjustable off this conveniently located little toggle switch. Of course you have the dip beams and headlights, front and rear fog lights, and the cruise control master switch. You've then got a lovely face-off Alpine stereo, which of course is fully working.
Never say never.
And then of course that Nokia hands-free phone, of which the microphone is just sitting above the driver. The digital air conditioning climate control, which is individual for the driver and for the passenger. Of course you can't feel it, but you can hear the motors kicking in very nice and loud. And then you've got the super smooth gearbox, which of course has got the high and the low ratio gearing, with of course even the sport mode. All electric windows throughout, including the and those are all simply one touch, so simply press the button down the once, release, and you'll see the window will go down, and again simply press it once and it will raise back up. Then you've got the tilt and slide glass sunroof, again fully operational. So all in all, this really is an absolutely beautiful, well maintained Range Rover, giving its lucky new owner years of trouble-free motoring. This 4-litre VASE, previously owned, originally owned in fact by the chairman of Tayer Motors, has been lovingly cared for by its current owner and has now come up for sale. A great opportunity to buy a very prestigious vehicle in excellent order. If there's any inquiries or test drive requests, we look forward to them here, and thank you for watching our presentation at Auto Emotional.